Okay, you've all seen this new one from Tovala where you can scan the barcodes on pre-bought items. What about if you want to make your own? Okay, so I'm going to show you now how to do the barcodes. Go to the link below and do this free barcode generator. You can use the barcode or QR code, it doesn't matter. And the number you type in doesn't really matter as long as you don't duplicate it. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. And image size, I'm going to do 300 by 300. Actually, I'm going to do 400 by 400, only because I want the quality to be a bit bigger. Hit create barcode. Boom, done. Now you can save that. Save image right here and see barcode. Done. And that is literally it. I'm lucky I had a little label writer, so the barcode is right there. And just tear it off and it's ready to stick on. Okay, so now you've got the barcode, now you need to assign it. So you click on oven and your saved recipes, you select the recipe you saved and click the 3 buttons at the top. If it's already assigned, it'll say edit barcode. If it's new, it'll say assign barcode. Just click that, the camera comes up, you simply scan, and I'm overwriting, and boom, it's done. There, it's saved. Got it? It's a simple matter of hitting scan, scanning the barcode, boom, it's done. There's your recipe. Simple as that.